Hello, ladies and gents. Welcome to our crib. This is the living room into the dining room. And then we got our kitchen, which is all brown and ugly and hole in the wall. Man, bathroom, office. I wouldn't say it's the nicest place in the world, which is why today we're gonna fix it up. So they are outside doing that. We are going to be in here painting, doing some wiring. Oh, I was about to jump.
That was very satisfying.
That's awesome.
This is great. I like it. You need like a...
It's so cute with the couch.
Oh yeah. So it is, oh God, I almost just fell down my stairs. It's the next day. We've kind of been all over the place because I've been trying to edit and then, you know, do other random boring move-in stuff like setting up utilities, which I haven't even done. But it's time to get the first car unloaded.
Dude, it looks so cool. Oh yeah. Dude, this thing sounds freaking awesome.
We're just cruising around too.
Oh my gosh. Well, cause it's like that perfect, like it's right on the edge of being raspy, but not there yet.
It's a little raspy when you floor it.
Is it?
Yeah,
Okay.
which, but it's not bad. It's not bad.
Oh, dude, that's awesome. Oh, yes. Yes. Hell yeah. That is awesome. Obviously, like, it's not, like, crazy fast.
No, it's not fast.
But, like, it's fast enough to get it out and get out of its own way.
Yeah, no, it's not that fun.
Like, it's enjoyable to drive, you know?
And there's a few 100 pounds in the back for sure.
Yeah, yeah.
What the hell motors in that thing?
I guess that's the nice thing.
Casey said, I thought I heard a Mustang.
I've been told to record you, so I'm gonna give it to you because I can't record and drive.
That's like some hot rod shit. Oh my god. I love it.
It's awesome.
It's like crappier than LS.
First drive with one of my cars in Georgia, besides the Volvo. I've already
Or the
driven the
GTI.
Volvo. Or the GTI. Wooly really liked it. Hunter, you liked it?
Dude, this thing is freaking, it's my favorite one.
That's awesome.
It's probably the slowest one out of the whole squad.
It is the slowest one now.
But it's just like cool.
Yeah.
Like it just has the good vibes.
Also, that's Wooly. The guy you saw in the last clip was Wooly, one of the co-owners of S3 Mag. I'm sure he'll be in videos quite a bit. This is pretty awesome. This house has turned out so nicely. This driveway is just big enough to fit the bus and the trailer side by side right here in this little nook and cranny. And then we can park all the cars on the yard and in this driveway. And there's actually another driveway over here. I didn't even show you guys. So like, you know, it's got a lot of parking here. It's really, we got lucky here. Check out Hunter's super clean 4Runner. Who thinks I should get a 90s 4x4, huh?
Without a doubt.
Without a doubt.
Please, somebody tell this man that he needs some sort of 90s SUV.
It can be a truck. It could be a truck too.
It can be a truck. Caleb needs some sort of overlanding capable vehicle so that we can go to the beach in North Georgia and do fun 4x4 things.
It'll happen eventually.
Oh my god, this is Zach's house!
Oh, that's Zach's house you were talking?
Yes!
Yeah.
Oh my god!
That's so funny. He's literally my neighbor. What I've learned in the 3 days of living in Monroe is that Hunter knows everybody somehow. We're just like randomly driving and he's like, oh, hey man. There they are. All safe and sound.
We've got two cool looking Miatas and then this stock Volvo. What the heck, dude? Why would you send me this?
I don't think there's nothing special that started this, I don't think.
Not that I know of. Hit it again? I think the battery's dead. Never mind, it started. The movers were kind enough to help me get the cars from this parking lot to my house. They're such nice guys. They own like a drift shop, they said, and they just kind of do the transporting on the side, so that's pretty rad.
Huge thank you to Hunter for holding my vehicles, picking them up, and yeah, just helping us get down here. This is the TikTok Evo. Some of you guys might have seen it on TikTok. That's like a really nicely built Evo. Do you miss the pop-ups? Are you gonna do pop-ups on your 240? Ah, there you go. That's a good choice. I'm gonna see if I can get to our house without using maps.
Okay.
That's my challenge.
All right.
I missed the turn, didn't I?
Like by a good bit. I was in the rear view, like.
Oh, really?
I was like flipping the headlights up and down, trying to get your attention.
Yeah, I was like spacing out, jamming out, and I was like, wait a second, I don't recognize where I am. All right, I failed. Do you miss turbo noises? A little more, that's good. All my things, almost all my things in one spot. Having a house is nice. So much better than an apartment. Not sure if I mentioned, but this place is cheaper than our apartment too, by a good margin. So like, it's a win-win. How do you like it?
I love this thing.
Yeah.
It makes me miss my Miata.
Yeah.
And my Miata was a piece of junk.
Yeah.
So like, having one that's like dialed is.
I love how dialed it is. Never has any issues.
Yeah, dude. It
just rip it around. So we got all of the switches and the outlets switched out. That already looks way better. And then we got our couch in here. We got our rug in here. But before we can really do too much stuff with furniture, we got to finish actually redoing in here. So we patched all the holes already. This one's already sanded down. I need to sand these ones down. And then we're painting this brown color white. And then we have a really nice backsplash we're gonna put on to kind of tie in the white and the green with this countertop. Then there's just a lot of cleaning to do on the floor. We're gonna try to get it a little bit better. This floor is pretty shot, but you know, it's whatever. But this entire house is about to smell like some new paint. Go away, sorry. Go, get out of here. This is just one layer of paint, not even finished up there, and it's already so much brighter and nicer in here. Currently applying the backsplash behind the counter. It's looking good. So that's the backsplash. It looks awesome. Kind of hard to see. It's either I turn this light on and it gets a little too overexposed, or yeah, no, it looks really good. But we've got some exciting stuff for the backyard. Oh my God. Voila, our little lights. Now we're gonna have to wait till nighttime to see how powerful they are, but they look very pretty. This is a vibe, ladies and gents. It's perfect. It's perfect mood lighting for our little awesome backyard. I love it. Off camera, we scrubbed the entire floor with Scotch-Brite and bleach, and it still looks like shit, and it's still ruined. Way like over here, but it looks like clean shit at least, and it doesn't feel disgusting to walk on, and it does look way better. If we owned this place, we would replace the flooring, but we don't, so we're not gonna put that much money into it. For now, we're gonna go thrift store shopping and just furniture shopping, because we keep looking at furniture, but we never actually pull the trigger on anything. Ooh, but look at those. Ooh, 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 yeah. Thrift store number 1 has a minefield for a parking lot. Looks like a hopping place though. Well, we didn't get any furniture there, but we did find a dryer for 50 bucks, so that was awesome. We picked that up. On to the next place. Volvo 240, the 240, in the same color. This is by far the biggest Goodwill I've ever witnessed. So attempt number 2. Wow, that was incredibly disappointing.
There was nothing there. There was like a dresser.
Third time's a charm. I want to buy one of these and bag it. I think that'd be so sick. Well, the entire day of shopping resulted in one mirror. We just couldn't find a single piece of furniture that we both agreed upon. We're pretty much all out of stores. Facebook Marketplace, maybe, please. It kind of stinks because I really wanted to have this entire place totally done with furniture and all the decorations by the end of this video, but it's clear now that that's not going to happen. Kitchen's obviously done. We cleaned in here. We actually put away a lot of our stuff. Okay, all right, this room, let's just not talk about that room. But everywhere else is looking nice. I obviously severely underestimated the amount of effort it takes to unpack. I don't know what's worse now, packing or unpacking. Kind of almost starting to think that unpacking is worse. Now, before the end of this video, I'm gonna give you guys one more improvement to this house. This is my office, which we've kind of shown, but you haven't really been able to see the office that well because it's been dark because the light doesn't work. Anyway, this is the office. It's a pretty small room, but we are going to turn it into a dope office. I'm painting these walls black. Then we're gonna have a nice white desk with these white globe lights with colorful LEDs. Either way, let's paint. Well, the room looks freaking awesome, way better than it did, but man, was that a pain in the ass. The walls are like a wood paneling, so I had to individually paint each of these freaking crevices. I still have to do another layer, and just this first layer took way more time than the entire kitchen. I'm gonna go ahead and order my desk and all the other office stuff off camera. I'm also gonna be building a new PC, but with a twist, so there will be a video on that eventually. One last improvement, ladies and gents. This thing's gotta be better. Got a real hammock now. I'd say that's a success. It was way more comfortable than the other one, and way more easier to sit with another person in it. Appliancium got the appliances installed, and the washer and dryer are both working, so we can wash our clothes now. This place is starting to take shape for sure. Can't wait to have some awesome hangouts back here. Hey-oh, furniture delivery. We got a nice dining room table and chairs, courtesy of Hunter. Thanks, dog.
You're welcome.
Just go out there. Go out there.
Go out here. Okay.
Yeah. So first of all, you got the chairs.
Chairs are wrapped.
Then we got the Beersby poles.
Okay.
And then I have to play non-copyright music, but that's okay. Isn't that pretty awesome?
Bro, that's pretty rad.
This is sick. I love it.
I wasn't expecting the sub.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Yeah.
That's what I had in shop. Of course, the only copyright-free music I have on my phone is always Moog. My go-to. Yeah, look at these chairs. We got these chairs. Whoa! So even though the house is not done, let's give you a little bit of a new tour. So this is the living room. We've got our couch. We got our coffee table now from Amazon. We're getting our TV stand next week, and Wi-Fi's coming tomorrow. Table now courtesy of Hunter. More boxes and stuff. Clean kitchen. And then going this way, the guest bedroom has less boxes in it. Still lots of boxes, still lots of unpacking to do. Bathroom is now living in. And the office is black. And the office is gonna be cool. Backyard is a vibe with the awesome hammock, the Beersby, the sweet lights, the fire pit, and the chairs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The next one, we're gonna go look at a shop.